guys, hope you are all doing great. In today's vlog, I am taking you on a journey through Mysore, a city known for its rich heritage, stunning architecture, and beautiful gardens. We started our trip early in the morning from Bangalore and headed straight to our first destination, Chamundi Hills. After a scenic drive up the hills, we reached the Sri Chamundeshwari temple, dedicated to goddess Chamundeshwari, the presiding deity of Mysore. The atmosphere was serene and the divine energy was truly special. After seeking blessings, we made a quick stop for breakfast at a restaurant. Nothing beats a delicious South Indian breakfast after a spiritual start to the day. Next, we visited the Mysore Zoo, one of the oldest and best maintained zoos in India. The variety of wildlife here was incredible. We spotted majestic lions, cheetahs, giraffes, elephants, exotic birds, and many other fascinating animals. The zoo is spread over a vast area, so be prepared for a bit of walking, but it's absolutely worth it. Our next stop was the Mysore Palace, the crown jewel of the city. The palace's stunning architecture, intricate interiors, and historical significance left us in awe. Walking through the grand corridors and beautifully decorated halls felt like stepping back in time. From there, we made our way to St. Philomena's Cathedral, one of the tallest churches in Asia. The neo-Gothic architecture and stained glass windows were absolutely mesmerizing. As the evening approached, we headed to Vrindavan Gardens located near the Krishna Rajasagar KRS Dam. The garden is famous for its beautifully maintained landscapes and the musical fountain show, which was definitely the highlight of our visit. Watching the fountains dance to rhythmic tunes was a perfect way to wrap our trip.
ಕನ್ನಡಮೇಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಂ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲ್ಗೆ.
With our hearts full of beautiful memories, we began our journey back home. This Mysore trip was a perfect mix of spirituality, history, nature, and fun. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content.